Dear students of class 10th, this is the fourth video, and in this video we will discuss about food crops other than grains. And before going to the new topic, let us start from the last topic what we discussed in the previous video. So we will start from pulses. So with regard to the pulses, all of you know that what we discussed in the previous video, our country is the largest producer as well as the consumer of pulses in the world. And these pulses are the major sources of protein in the diet of vegetarian people of our country. And another benefit is that as these pulses are leguminous crops, so these crops are helping in restoring the fertility of the soil by fixing atmospheric nitrogen in the soil. So the farmers of our country, they are growing pulses in rotation with the other crops. With regard to the pulses which are grown by the farmers in India can be broadly be categorized into two main types, the Kharif crops and the Rabi crops. So during the Kharif season, farmers are growing pulses like tur, urad and moong. And in Rabi season, farmers are growing pulses like masoor, peas and gram. Now move to the new topic, sugarcane. So with regard to the sugarcane, it is an example of cash crop because in India, farmers are growing sugarcane to sell the produce in the market. And with regard to our country, it is considered as the original home of sugarcane. So, from the sucrose of sugarcane, sucrose means the juice of sugarcane, different products are manufactured like sugar, gur, khansri, and molasses. And all these things are having maximum demand in the rural and also the urban markets of our country. Now, let us discuss about the geographical requirements for cultivation of sugar cane. So, with regard to the geographical requirements required for the cultivation of the sugar cane, it grows well on fertile soil with high temperature and heavy rainfall. As sugar cane depletes the soil very quickly, so regular supply of manure is essential to maintain the fertility of the soil. After that, temperature. So with regard to the temperature, sugarcane needs hot and humid climate with temperature ranging in between 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. And cool temperature is essential at the time of ripening. After that, rainfall. So with regard to the rainfall, it grows best in the area receiving rainfall ranging in between 75 centimeter to 150 centimeter. Soil. It can be grown on well-drained fertile soil. Well-drained in the sense the soil in which accumulation of water does not take place. In the sense the soil in which water seeps inside very quickly, very easily. It can be grown on a variety of soil including black soil, alluvial soil, loamy and reddish loam. But the base soil is alluvial soil of the Ganga plain and black soil of the southern India. Now, areas of production. In alluvial soil area, Uttar Pradesh is the largest producer of sugarcane, and the other states are Bihar, Punjab, and Haryana. And in the peninsular part of India, major producers are Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Andhra Pradesh. After that, we will discuss about wild seeds. So, with regard to the wild seeds, in India, farmers are growing different varieties of wild seeds, and approximately 12% of the total cropped area of our country is under cultivation of wild seeds. In the year 2008, our country was the second largest producer of groundnut in the world after China. And in rapeseed production, India was the third largest producer in the world after Canada and China. Now let us discuss about some of the important wild seeds and also geographical requirements. So we will start from groundnut. So with regard to the groundnut, it needs high temperature of about 25 degrees Celsius and moderate rainfall of about 75 centimeter. This crop can be cultivated well in dry, light, sandy soil under irrigation. And with regard to the groundnut, it is an example of kharif crop. So, with regard to the production of groundnut, most of the groundnut is grown in peninsular India, and the major producers are Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Punjab. And with regard to the consumption of groundnut, a major part of the crop is consumed by Banaspati industry. It is also used for making soap. It is rich in protein and vitamins, so it is eaten raw, roasted, or sweetened. While cake serves as cattle feed in our country. After that, we will discuss about castor seed. So, with regard to the castor seed in our country, it is used for medicine, lubricating, and industrial purpose. While cake is also used as manure, and this crop is grown in warm, dry climate as kharif crop. It grows well on red sandy soil, and major producers are Gujarat, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Rajasthan. After that, we will discuss about sesame. It is mostly used as cooking oil, and it is used for making medicines and perfumes also. It is eaten in fried and sweetened form. It needs high temperature of about 21 degrees Celsius and moderate rainfall. Sesame can be grown in well-drained sandy loams. Heavy rainfall and frost is harmful. Major producers are Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, and Gujarat. After that, we will discuss about rapeseed and mustard. So these are the important edible oils, and they are used for preparing pickles, curries, vegetable. It is also an important cattle feed. These are winter crops. They grow well on loamy soil. Major producers are Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, and Haryana. And with regard to the linseed, it has drying property. It is used in manufacturing of paints, varnishes, printing ink, oilcloth, and waterproof fabrics. It can be cultivated in a cool, moist climate, and it grows best on deep loamy soil and black soil. Major producers are Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Rajasthan. Now, let us discuss about some of the economic importance of wild seeds. So that is very important. You will be getting a question mention the economic importance of wild seeds. So I am counting some of the points again. First point, most of these are edible and used as cooking medium. Second point, extracted oil is also used as a raw material for manufacturing large number of items like paints, varnishes, hydrogenated oils, soaps, perfumes, etc. Oil cake, which is the byproduct obtained after extraction of oil from the oil seeds, is an excellent cattle feed. Oil cake is also used as fertilizer. So these are some of the importance of oil seeds. About the beverage crops we will discuss in the next video. Okay, thank you.